Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will troubleshoot the issue bad system config info. How to troubleshoot this issue, and this is automatically going to startup repair or automatic repair. What you need to do is you need to click on this option, advanced options, then click on troubleshoot, and you will see 6 options. So we need to click on this option which says command prompt. Okay, but before try that, you can click on restore point. Okay, if you have created restore point, you will see the next option. It means that system restore point is created on my system, so you can perform this step with choosing the latest one. Okay, like this, and click on then next option and click on finish and click on yes, and your system will be restored to the back stage where you was not getting the error. Okay, so let me cancel this and go to the second option. If restore point is not created, you can follow the second method. Okay, click on command prompt. Now you need to type here the command where your window is. So it is basically in C. Type here C and then colon, hit enter, and then dir. Okay, if you are seeing these files, program files, recovery, etc. Okay, it means that this is the your Windows drive. If the window is in other drive, I will show you. Like if I type a D and dir, you can see the D drive is new volume, and there is no file found on here. So I need to configure it to the C and colon, then hit enter, then dir. We are in a C directory. Okay, so I need to type the first command here. We will restore all the registry files and the program files into the backup one file. Okay, so don't worry, your data is going to save, but still you can backup your data. So now you need to type the command cd space the drive letter. In my case it is C colon /windows /system32. Okay, system32 /config and hit enter. Now type here md backup. We are going to perform the backup of registry files and the programs files and the bootable files, and hit enter. You will see the message like this. After that you need to type the next command. Now you need to type here copy, okay, space asterisk dot asterisk and give a space and then backup. We are going to back up our registry into it. Hit enter. Now you will see the 10 file copied. You will get these commands in my description box, and you can see on the, you can watch on the screen as well. Now type here cd space regback and hit enter. Then type here copy space asterisk dot asterisk, okay, dot and hit enter. Okay, you can see the system cannot find find specific. If you found the option to continue with, so you need to type here a like this, and after that you need to hit enter. Okay, then you need to type here exit, and after that you need to click on this option continue with Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so your issue will be fixed and the bad system config file will be resolved, since we have created the new backup and the registry files. So this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.